Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a battery in a BMW 1 Series. Before you begin, gather your tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, wear protective gear such as safety glasses and gloves to prevent contact with battery acid. Proper preparation makes the process smooth and safe. First, locate your BMW 1 Series battery, which is typically found in the trunk or sometimes under the rear seat. Once located, use your 10mm wrench to disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. After the negative is off, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly. This ensures a good connection for your new battery. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp or strap. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring all connections are tight. After connecting everything, double-check that all terminals are tight and the battery is securely fastened in its tray. Now, start your BMW 1 Series engine to confirm proper operation and ensure no warning lights appear on your dashboard. If everything looks good, you're all set. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.